Easter is approaching, and so it's that time of year where we talk about fun ideas for your Easter basket. Now, you know, when you have a diabetic in your household, it's not as simple as filling up a big basket with sugar and candies. We have to think a little more creatively. So I'm going to challenge you this year for your diabetic, and really for your whole household, to follow the rule of 3. So one thing that's limited quantity, that's their favorite for their sweet tooth. 2, something that is practical, and 3, something that's funny or cute or like a gag gift kind of joke. So here's my ideas. So Rose loves Reese's cups, and so the Reese's bunny is a staple. But I get him one, and this way he really gets to enjoy his favorite. But then when he eats it, you know, he knows how many carbs he's getting, it's gone. And it's not sitting around for the next few weeks as a temptation for him to be grabbing after a meal or in the evening. So finite quantity of that. 2, practical. He goes through a lot of glucose tablets. And so I found this great big bottle at CVS. And so 90 tablets. So this is great. So I like to stock up on glucose tablets, or something like a replacement toothbrush head for your electric toothbrush. Something that is practical, you know, they'll use, but maybe costs a little more. So it's a good time to give it as a gift. And 3, something funny. So guess what I found at the Kroger is selling the Chick-fil-A sauce in a bottle now, like ketchup. So it's fairly low in carb. It has 7 grams of carb per serving, but 14 grams of fat. So unfortunately now know the truth about Chick-fil-A sauce, but I know how much he likes this. So this is gonna be his fun gag gift that will go into his Easter basket. So we follow the rule of 3, a finite quantity of something sweet that's their favorite, a practical and a funny, and he'll have a great Easter. So I hope the diabetic in your life does the same. Bye.